Perfect for a sunny day brunch or a lunch with friends, this bright, light and herby soup is made ideal with filled tortellini. The folds and flutes of the pasta hold on to the broth, making it a great delivery mechanism for the soup, so each mouthful is a joy. So let's crack on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. This is so quick to make, it's worth doing the small amount of prep in advance. So if your spinach has any leggy stalks, give them a trim so you're just left with the leaves. And give them a coarse chop. We want to see the wilted leaves without them dominating the soup. And chop the dill, although somewhat finer than the spinach. Squeeze your lemon. We need about 60 milliliters or half a cup. So if you have disappointing lemons like mine, do use 2. And then any part of the lemons you don't use, you can add to your post-cooking vodka and coke. Cheers, my dears! Bring 1.8 litres, or 8 cups, of water to a boil in a heavy pot. Add your bouillon powder, following the packet instructions. Then completely disregard them and add 2 teaspoons more to give the stock that extra punch of flavour. And using my tiny whisk, I'm going to tiny whisk the stock until the bouillon is dissolved. Into a large bowl, crack your eggs and add the pepper and lemon juice and give them a good whisk to combine. My tiny whisk certainly is the star of today's recipe. Now we can add our chosen tortellini. I'm using spinach and cheese, but use your favourite, and cook for 3 minutes or so. Remove them with a slotted spoon and divide amongst bowls. I'm just using one bowl because, you know, thumbnails and stuff. Now we can't just add the egg mixture to the broth, otherwise we'll end up with scrambled egg. So we need to temper the mixture to get the temperature a lot closer to the temperature of the broth. So scoop out about 1 cup and very gradually drizzle into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Keep adding broth until the egg mixture is quite warm to the touch. Then whisking constantly, gradually pour the warm egg mixture into the broth in the pot. Cook, whisking often over medium heat until slightly thickened, perhaps 5 or 6 minutes, but don't let the broth boil. Now we can remove from the heat and add the spinach and the chopped dill. The spinach will immediately wilt. Taste and season with salt and pepper if needed. If your broth is really salty, you might need to add a little bit of water just to dilute it. Ladle or pour the broth into the bowls with the tortellini. Sprinkle with some fresh grated Parmesan over the top, and a little extra pepper and some reserved dill sprigs if you fancy. This is so quick to make and perfect on a sunny spring or summer's day. So if you like this recipe, why not show me some love and hit the like button, and think about subscribing. I've got over 100 recipes on this channel, so there's bound to be another recipe you fancy making. Well, that's all we've got for you today. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!